En el corazón de Bolivia se encuentra Sucre, una ciudad que es más que su historia, conocida como la Ciudad Blanca por sus edificaciones coloniales. Sucre es un destino lleno de cultura, tradición y belleza, desde sus calles empedradas que nos transportan al pasado, hasta sus vibrantes plazas, donde la vida fluye con calma. Sucre es el refugio perfecto para los viajeros que buscan experiencias auténticas. En este video escucharemos las voces de aquellos que han encontrado en esta joya colonial un destino inolvidable.
Hola, soy Zoraida Torricos, estudiante de la carrera de Arte y Diseño Gráfico, cursando la materia de Laboratorio Audiovisual. Hoy nos encontramos en la Plaza 25 de Mayo, un punto de encuentro de locales y extranjeros que visitan nuestra ciudad. Hoy realizaremos entrevistas a los turistas con el motivo de conocer su perspectiva sobre nuestra ciudad y cuál ha sido su experiencia. Acompáñame en esta experiencia.
My name's Christina and I'm from the UK, near London.
My name's Anna and I'm from the UK.
My name's Kim Jung.
My first impressions were really good. I was really surprised of how beautiful it was because I didn't hear too much about it before. I love the white buildings and everything.
My first impressions, it's a really beautiful city. I like the vibe it has. There's always a lot of people about. It feels like there's always a lot happening. I really like it.
Mine was like, oh my god, I'm getting interviewed right now? Yeah. How is that even possible?
So the other day we visited the museum. And that was really interesting to learn about Bolivian culture and the empires and everything, especially in Sucre as well. So that was really fun.
We came here to do some Spanish lessons because we don't really speak any Spanish. We only arrived in South America about a week ago. So I've been really enjoying doing that every day, kind of going to class and learning more about Bolivian culture as well. It's been really interesting.
I think it's hard because we've been here since Monday and every day we've mostly spent all of our time doing Spanish. So I think it's mostly just been we do 4 hours of Spanish in the morning and then we come home, have lunch and then do a few more hours of Spanish. So it's not maybe the most exciting, but I think it's the best for us.
I mean, it's not really a story, but I really like going to the central market.
I guess I can talk about the restaurant.
Yeah, go for the restaurant.
Yeah, I went to a 7-course tasting menu for only 100 Bolivianos, which for 7 courses is pretty cheap for somebody coming from a Western country. The food is really good, kind of small, but why can't they feed humans as well as feed the pigeons too?
Adiós.
Gracias por acompañarme en esta experiencia. Nos vemos a la próxima.